Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a beautiful street. Among the rows of houses, one stood out from the rest. A curious child noticed that there was something peculiar about the wall of this house. A decision was made to go beyond the wall. What was found on the other side was nothing short of astonishing, leaving an imprint that would last a lifetime. In another tale, a man experiences a strange feeling after leaving his friend in an old village. The friend had left behind something unusual that connected him to memories of the past. The item left behind was not just a simple object, it was a token of their shared history, stirring emotions that had been long forgotten. Then, on a quiet night, whispers of hidden things began in a village. The villagers prayed for protection from the unseen beings of folklore, the jinns and fairies. When a child overheard these whispers, he shared them with his friends. Suddenly, the village was abuzz with these mysterious tales. Each story, though unique, shares a common thread, the exploration of the unknown and the human desire to understand what lies beyond the surface. Whether it's the secrets hidden behind a wall, the memories attached to an object, or the hidden tales that stir a village, curiosity and the desire for discovery are at the heart of these narratives. In the end, the child behind the wall discovers a world of wonder. The man reconnects with his past through a forgotten object, and the whispers in the village spark a wave of curiosity and intrigue. Each story resolves with a sense of discovery and understanding, leaving us with the reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary stories are hidden in the most ordinary places. So remember, whether it's a peculiar wall in a beautiful street, an unexpected gift from a friend, or whispers of hidden tales, the world around us is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. It is the curiosity and the courage to explore that often leads to the most unforgettable journey.